Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Finder is not responding after updating your Mac to macOS Sonoma. So the first step is to restart Mac. So click on the Apple menu on the top left and then click on restart. Now after the system restart you can launch Finder and then check. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, the next step is to force quit Finder. Now for this, click on the Apple menu once again and then click on force quit, select Finder and then click on relaunch. Click on relaunch once again, and now you can try open Finder and then check. Still you're facing the problem. Next step is to update Mac. Now for this, open system settings and then go to general and then go to software update. Now if there is any update over here, update your Mac. So it will check for update, and if it finds any update over here, update. In my case it's already up to date. So right now it's macOS Sonoma 14.1.2. so if you have any update, update your Mac, and after you update, restart your Mac and then open Finder and then check. Still you're facing the problem. Now the next step is to disable iCloud sync. Now this has worked for many players, so this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So to disable iCloud, now if you agree you can do that. However, this is not a good solution, but this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. You can try this. So go to settings and then go to click on your profile icon over here on the top and then go to iCloud, and then over here you can see iCloud Drive. So over here you can see sync this Mac, so you can turn this off. If you want to keep a copy, select keep a copy and then click on done. Now once iCloud is off over here, now restart your Mac. Restart your Mac. Now after the system restart, after restarting your Mac, turn on the iCloud sync once again. So you can go to iCloud Drive once again. You can turn on sync this Mac, desktop and folders, click on done, and then you can check. Now you can open Finder and then check. Now the next step is to let the indexing complete. Now when you open, on the top right here you can see the search, spotlight search. So click on spotlight search and you can type in Finder over here. Now once you type in Finder, if there is indexing happening, then let the indexing complete. Sometimes when you open Finder, on the top over here you see the progress bar which says indexing. So if that is happening, let the indexing complete and then you can open the Finder using the spotlight search and then check. Now the next step is to rebuild the index. Now for this you can run this command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this and then open terminal. So click on the spotlight search on the top right and over here type in terminal and then open terminal and then paste the command over here and then hit the return key. Now type in your password over here, hit the return key, and over here you can see indexing enabled. Once done, you can close this. Now go to the spotlight search and over here you can type in Finder and you can click on Finder. So it will actually rebuild. Here you can see indexing. So you can click on the spotlight search once again and over here you can type in Finder and here you can see it's indexing. Now this process will take some time. Now once the indexing is complete, only then you open the Finder. So let it complete first and then open the Finder and then check. Now still you're facing the problem. the next step is to disable dynamic wallpaper. Now for this, open settings and then go to wallpaper, and if you have dynamic wallpapers active on, so if this is on, you can select any landscape or you can select your wallpaper. So disable, just turn off dynamic wallpaper and then open Finder and then you can check. Now the next step is to, and this is the last step, to disconnect external drives. So if you have any external drive connected, you can disconnect external drives and devices. If you have any kind of external devices connected, disconnect it and then restart your Mac. And after the system restart, you can open Finder and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the Finder working on your Mac. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.